getting loaded up for the river now. We're going to test them out, see if his runs, see if mine runs. I'll get back y'all when we get to the river.
As soon as it gets in that power band, it damn near dies.
That's kind of how mine is, because I don't know, when I crank mine up and try to get out the hole, it's like it's and it barely wants to go. And as soon as it hits the power band,
as soon as it hits the power band, mine dies. Mine's the opposite. It's got great loading.
Everybody's probably looking at me like I'm stupid right now.
How good you are.
Probably not. I look retarded with this big foam mount.
Huh?
I look retarded with this chest mount.
Well, you about to film a pulling video.
Flip it down. Mine don't. Mine scares the shit out of me. You can get in clays if you want. Oh shit.
Hey.
I didn't want to scratch my butt up.
Yeah.
Mine does, but I don't know, it's still like there's something on this side catching. It's making it. Huh?
It shoot a roost whenever you go down.
Does it? Let's see. Hey, you wanna go that way? How is it? Oh no, guys. It's running really weird. See if we can get Clay to fly by. What you doing with yours now?
Usually it's a bag ground.
You ready? Huh?
Pull me up first.
Hell, you're halfway out on the damn sandbar. Huh? It's like fusion or something, I don't know. Huh? Come on, Pee-wee. Get it, Pee-wee. Try this again. Let's see how it goes. Sounds like it's running good that time. Oh, there it goes. About to sink my boat. I need to get that water, but it's kind of cold. Scale 1 to 10, how cold is it?
It's probably like a 7.5.
7.5. Yeah, fuck, freak that. It's always good to have water in your boat. Mine ain't on there. Come on. Move. Well, we just got back to the house. It's a pretty good day. My boat did good. It hit a top speed of 30. I need to bring my jack plate up some, but we didn't have the tools to do it there. So both of them did pretty good. Clay's did pretty good. His gear plate, or not gear plate, lower unit stripped the gear, so he's got to find a new motor or find a lower unit. But I appreciate y'all for watching, and I try to upload videos once a week. Just let me know what y'all want to see. We do four-wheeler content too, but it just ain't been warm enough to take them out, so we've been kind of into boats lately. But if y'all want to see four-wheeler content, fishing content, let me know. But I appreciate y'all for watching. I'm gonna get to my house. I didn't really get any videos putting the boats in the river or taking them out. Video was kind of everywhere. Kind of forgot to film a lot of things, but I really don't have the proper equipment to. So hopefully I'll be getting the nicer equipment, and not just my phone. So but I appreciate you guys for watching, and maybe the next one will be better.